Hello, class. My name is Brian Thompson. I hope you all are doing well. I'm here to talk to you about my company, QuickCart. So, the problem is there are several reasons as to why people can't make it to get groceries on their own. One of the biggest being inconvenience. People are busy, and sometimes it's hard to find the time between work or school and even maybe taking care of people, such as family, to find time to go to the store. Secondly, would be injuries. Injuries are unpredictable and can force one to be unable to drive or sometimes even walk to the store in some cases, especially if they're by themselves. And this also falls under disabilities as well. Disability is another way in which people may be unable to drive or walk to get their own groceries. Finally, it would be the lack of transportation. I can relate to this one because when I first moved here to Florida, I was a new student living in a dorm, and every time I needed to get groceries, I'd either have to walk to Publix or I'd have to wait for one of my friends or anyone really willing to give me a ride over to the food store. Also, I didn't have my license, even if I did have a car. And this is the same with 13% of people within driving age range who aren't even licensed in the United States of America. All these people need an alternative to solve the common problem. So what is the solution? The solution is QuickCart. With the convenience of visiting our website or using our app, you can order your weekly or daily list of groceries with the push of a button. Your order will be sent to a deliverer who will be sent out to the store of your choice, pick up the items that you listed, and drive and drop off the groceries at your front door. There's no hassle and no need to leave the comfort of your own home. Our business model. Our key partners are local grocery stores, examples such as Publix, Target, Costco, etc. Our value propositions. Customers will have fast delivery at his or her own convenience. Also, drivers will be able to explore their local city and meet new people. For the stores, they'll have increased customers and along with sales. Thirdly, access will be through our website or application, as stated earlier. Customer segments. Drivers have flexibility to make up his or her own schedule, which is great for a lot of people who might be busy or even use this as a secondary job. And also, the items are delivered directly to the front door of the customer, as stated before. Underlying technology. This company will be run through smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers of the customer. And 95% of Americans have a cell phone. So this allows nearly anybody to access the app or the website to make their order. It also makes it a lot more fast and convenient for them. Our marketing and sales. Our overall goal is to have steady sales by June of 2019. Our targets will be unable and busy drivers who want the convenience of having groceries delivered to his or her home. Some of the strategies that will be used is the first order by every customer will have no fee, and there are loyalty discounts. For example, there's a discount on a free delivery fee after every 15 orders. Our tactics are through social media, such as Facebook ads, along with Instagram ads. And we also use commercials for those not on social media. And we will keep track of the total sales, all other expenses, our customers, and the best days for sales. Let's go over our competitors. I have three listed. The first being the most well-known, Instacart. And Instacart is very fast, just like the name states. However, a major con with this company is the pricing. A customer of Instacart stated that she ordered diapers from Costco, which she usually pays $35.50 for, but having them delivered by Instacart, they were $52.50 along with the $6 delivery fee. And as you can see, if you get several items, that adds up. The next would be Amazon Fresh. Amazon Fresh is also a fast delivery system, but it's not available everywhere. And also, you will need to have a membership with Amazon, the Amazon Prime membership, which is another fee yearly. And finally, we'll be going over Google Express. Google Express is one of the cheapest delivery services in the market. However, they don't allow customers to order perishable foods such as produce and dairy. Now, QuickCart will take all these advantages of these companies and get rid of all the cons. You'll be able to have fast delivery. The fee will be lower. It will be available almost anywhere, and you will be able to order perishable foods due to our quick service. Our team consists of me, Brian Thompson, the CEO, our technology department, which will also consist of our support callers, and then there will also be people in charge of the website, the app, and the delivers in case there's any issues. And then there are the deliverers. There's two types. The first being the quick deliverers. These are used for small orders, and the store pre-packs the groceries to have the driver pick them up instantly. These will be cheaper for the customer, but also the deliverer will be paid a little bit less compared to the normal driver. The normal deliverers take the list given by the customer and personally go to the store to get every item on the list, and deliver them. Our projections and milestones. We're projected to begin production as soon as January 2019, and we plan on launching the app and website at the same time to get the carts rolling with this company. The status and timeline. Our technological staff has been hired and have already produced a beta of the app and the website, which is working and looking great. We have also reached out to several cities, along with states, to hire drivers, and we actually have a sufficient amount of willing individuals to begin business as soon as possible. Any investments will go towards launching the website and app and paying for any other expenses such as improving our headquarters, launching new offices countrywide, and also paying our employees. There are lots of great reasons to invest in this sure success company, QuickCart. I hope this presentation today has given you all sufficient reasoning to see the greatness behind us. Please feel free to browse our website, which is still in completion, but it still works. You can still browse whatever you need, and also look forward to our app release. I thank you for your time and hope you all look forward to the future of the convenience of QuickCart.